Welcome to Recipes for 7 Life. When you talk healthy family food, I had to invite my friend Robbie Raugh. Hi, Robbie.
Hi, Mercedes.
Okay, what did you help us make today?
Oh gosh, these are easy peasy, no bake peanut butter bars.
No,
and they're
easy peasy.
healthy and
Yeah.
organic. And you know, our kids need to eat healthy today. We need to eat healthy.
They
We gotta
do.
stay away from processed food. Yeah.
I love you, Robbie. I love you. So tell us how you made this.
Oh my gosh, this is so easy. So really, you just start with peanut butter. I used organic peanut butter
Yep.
because peanuts have a lot of pesticides on them, and what have you. So organic peanut butter, and then maple syrup, just a little bit of maple syrup, and oat flour. So I used oat flour, which makes it gluten-free.
Yeah.
I've also made them
Our
with
gluten-free friends.
yeah, I've also made them with almond flour and coconut flour. And so easy. So you mix those 3 ingredients together. Just
Yep.
peanut butter, you know, the maple syrup and the oat flour.
Okay, I'm gonna try this.
Yes.
While you talk about the topping, which is super
the
simple.
topping is to die for. Okay, so it's a chocolate, melted chocolate chips mixed with, of course, peanut butter. And I mean, it's just the ultimate treat.
And Robbie knows what she's talking about because Robbie, you've been doing healthy food and fitness for how long?
40 years close.
Robbie knows what she's talking about. So she knows how to mix things together to make them healthy but yet delicious. So this is perfect
Yeah.
for a family that says, we're doing healthy and we just need a really, really good sweet treat.
It's nutritious and delicious.
And you don't feel guilty when you walk away.
No guilt, absolutely no guilt. And you know, I mean, I have a lot of recipes that I have created over the years, and I take recipes and tweak them. So
Yes, so you need to head over to the website because we'll have the info for Robbie's book up there as well. But head over to wkbw.com/7life to get this recipe and learn more about Robbie. And I'm gonna take all of these. Recipes for 7 Life would like to thank Close Mentor.